Meet my aunt. Little spider. She is scared. Can't really see him because light. She has a phobia.
He was on my phone.
I got her phone, by the way. She won't cross here, so I can run away with this. You never find it again. He's up there. He's gonna. Leave him alone. He's not doing anything. He's just looking at us. He's just looking at us, the little baby.
He's on the wall.
See, he's on the wall now.
He's not doing anything, Sarah. He's just a baby. He's just a baby, dude. I do that one. I do that one TikTok where it's like, we can have spoons from a little bit. He's just a baby. Look at this little woman. He stands up.
He's looking at me. He's looking at me. He's looking at me.
Cause you keep freaking out. Let's film on her TikTok so they can all know how much. This is her genuine fear. She's not the Attack on Titan hero, as you know.
That's not a comparison. I can't.
She has a phobia. Literally, guys, if you think adults are better than you, just look at this. So, I hope you enjoyed that video of my aunt screaming over a bug. But, that's not what we were here for. We're here, I've already tried starting it. So, basically, what I'm doing is when I take it, let me show you. This is the yarn. I'm doing the blonde side first. This is my first time doing this. And I'm cutting a little piece off to tie it. And boop. And then what you're going to do then is you're going to, I'm holding it with my knees. And you pull it out from the center as usual. Get your length. Then just do this. Oh, well, do this to get the right amount. Then you're going to cut it off. And then you're going to take your little tie. And you're going to tie it in the center. Now, I don't have the right kind of dog comb because you need a dog comb to comb it out real well. I don't have that. So, I am trying my best with the one I have, which is ending up still having these things in the center. Then, always cut your little circles. Kids, have, your guardians, like, help you with scissors, unless you're like a teenager. But like, don't cut these. That's how you're gonna hold it and keep it in place. And I hold it like right there. You gotta hold it tight too, because it will drag it out. What the heck? It will drag it out. So, as you can see, you got tons of fur here. Just gonna throw that away. I mean, there's gonna be a lot. Then what you're going to do is you're just going to, I'm doing this across my knee. Reasons? Don't really have one. So it's kind of like a wig, of course. You want to start from the bottom and then keep moving upward to get all of the tangles out. I was taking a straightener to it, but then decided to stop using it, mainly because I have natural curly hair, and also I couldn't get the red to actually brush out, so the white side's mostly brushed out. But you have to get like this type of yarn, which I have no clue what it's called, for you to be able to brush it out. And I'm lengthening it up like that, that way it's an equal amount each run. But each hair strain is going to be different, and all I did was this over and over and over again. Now as you can see here, I am struggling to brush out the red. And like I said, I could not brush it out, so I left it the way it was and just started tying them in because I thought it would look cute. And I was going to do a regular male todoroki, but it turned out to look more female than what I thought it was going to be, and it was like an 80s version, which I haven't seen anybody else do, and I thought, this is good. And I don't consider it a boy or girl cosplay when I put it on. It's mostly a kind of they, them. Now with here, when you're doing your other layers, you want to leave out a big space between, you know how your wigs have them big spaces. Well, you want to leave that out because the yarn is really thick and it's going to hide the bald cap anyway. So you want to go up some. And if there's still a little piece that is bothering you, tie your two hairs together with the two links that you have. Tie them together, that way it closes it. Or you can just add another yarn piece if you need to. With the hole, all I did was take the yarn and put in the yarn in between the holes to close them, which is super easy. So you're probably wondering what the heck I'm doing in this part. I'm hot gluing the pieces that are more open and to get the hair to stay, because it is yarn, it will not stay with hairspray. You have to use hot glue or something else. We're going to try it on now. Well, basically what I did was I just hot glued the edges the way it stays in place, kind of. Oh my gosh, it actually went on. That's what I'm hype about. Right. I'm very happy that I got it on the left side too, because I honestly started freaking out in the morning this morning. So I was like, oh my god. But it looks so good and it works. Oh my gosh, my first ever wig that I made. I love it. I love this. This is so cool. I'm probably gonna have to trim a little bit more on the white side. Maybe not though. Oh my gosh, if this helped anyone, or if anyone got any cool ideas or anything, this is my original design. I haven't seen anyone else do a todoroki wig like this that's 80s. But if you guys got like any ideas or anything that from this video, or if this helped you with your yarn wig making process. Leave a like and subscribe if you want more. Leave a comment down below on what you think, like some other thing. I don't know. Bye.